Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S80 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to simply slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and now let's pick the camera settings at the bottom. Here at the first position we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera preview, we have these lines in the background. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the gallery button, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to slide again to the left, pick the camera settings and tap to the grid to turn them off. So for now, in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.